Hello everyone! Welcome to my video where I will show you how to use Baseball 9 hack that can give you unlimited resources and many other features like unlimited stamina and more. I will open the game now and you can see that I have a crazy amount of resources. Look how I can purchase coins, upgrade players, and literally buy everything. So if you also want to get Baseball 9 hack, keep watching this video. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, enable background app refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off battery saver mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these 2 steps before moving on. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Baseball 9 and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says, "Injection completed." This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. So that's how to use Baseball 9 hack and how to get it. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. I would love to hear from you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.